Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Well, folks, not that long ago, I created this video right here of how not to buy Hot Wheels. And I showed you my experience of buying Hot Wheels online through Walmart and what I got when I went to pick up my case at the store. Well, it was a lesson learned for me. It was somewhat of an expensive lesson, but I'm going to tell you right now, it was worth it. And I'll tell you why. I got to meet all of you. Well, not in person, but virtually. I got to interact with so many people. So many people came out and were so supportive of what happened to me. And I learned so much from everybody, from your great advice of where to buy cases, where not to buy cases, what to watch out for. To see this community come together like this, man, I loved it. It was fantastic. And to, like I said, to be able to interact with all of you, it was well worth it to me. Even though it cost some money, it was money well spent. Now, apparently you folks weren't the only ones watching or listening. I do believe the Hot Wheel gods themselves were watching. Now let me tell you a little story real quick. 3 or 4 days after I posted that video, I get a call from my wife, and she's at another Walmart, one we never go to. She says, honey, you need to get over here. I'm watching a guy open up a case and putting a case of Hot Wheels out right now. Well, I get there, right? And I start looking through these cards. And I pull a car that I'm like, hey, this is 2024 release, case A. I'm like, no, because none of the 2024s have hit my area yet that I was aware of. But sure enough, they put out an A case for 2024 at this Walmart. So I'm giddy. I'm like, okay, I'm searching, looking for the treasure hunt, looking for a suit or whatever. But mainly, I'm looking for the Ford GT40 because I love that car. That is my favorite car in the whole wide world, and I want it. I happen to look up on the top shelf, and I see some cards stacked. Like they just pulled 6 out of the case and just shoved them up there because they didn't have any room down below. So I reach up and I grab them, I pull them out. At this time, I am so excited. I'm like, okay, there's got to be something in here. I look. So nothing great, but some really cool cars, but no GT40. I back up, and I look, I see a single card sitting up there on the back of the shelf. I can't reach it. I can't even see it that well, but I can tell it's a Hot Wheel. So I found an actual Hot Wheel box, one of the track sets, and I very gently pushed that card to the back of the top shelf, and it fell down. And when it fell down, the car fell facing forward towards me, and sure enough, it was a Ford GT40, and I am ecstatic, guys. That's the car I've been wanting, car I've been waiting for. I got it. I am so happy. I'm done. I'm good. I'm ready to leave. Until I saw this. A factory seal case, A case, 2024 Hot Wheels. Oh, yeah, wait a minute. And this one. Oh, hold on just 1 second. And this one. Yeah, I did. And this one. 4 cases, factory sealed, sitting on the floor by the pallet that had all the toys on. I saw that, my jaw dropped. I called my wife instantly. I said, honey, you're not going to believe it. There's 4 factory sealed cases sitting here in front of me. Her immediate response was, buy them. I love that woman, right? 4 cases of 2024 A case Hot Wheels. Yeah, I'm crazy. I know. Before anybody starts saying things like, you're not going to get your money back, that was a waste of money. I'm not a reseller. I am an addict. I have a problem. My problem is the thrill of the hunt. So yeah, I have an issue. We're going to open these cases up today. There might be 4 super treasure hunts in here. I doubt that there's even 1. But you don't know. That's the thrill of the hunt. For me anyways. Come be an addict with me. Here we go. This is case number 1 that we're going to be opening. I'm so excited. This is gonna be epic. Get a little more room here. All right, first three, guys. What do we got here? Okay, yellow Honda Super Cub, a Koenigsegg, and a Dune Crusher. Nothing fantastic. I already have some of those. Not too many, guys. Not too many, Paul. Just three. Just three. Come on. 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. That's pretty cool casting. I like that. What else we have here? Batmobile. Every case has to have 5 million Batmobiles, of course. And a Mad Manga. It's a police one. It's kind of neat. It's a new paint job for me, anyways. Okay. Let's keep going here. Custom auto. That's cool. I've never seen that one before. 70 Plymouth Barracuda convertible. Nice. Alfa Romeo. Cool. Got several of those. What do we got here? Another Batmobile. Again, like I said, 5 million Batmobiles. Another 69 Ford Mustang. Audi 90 Quattro. These are really cool cars, man. Alright. Papa Wheelie. That's cool. I don't have that one in that color. A Brick and Motor. And a Shark Bite. I have no interest in that whatsoever. But that's cool, I guess. Max Steel. I like that color of the Max Steel this year. That's pretty nifty. Hey, 84 Pontiac Firebird. Don't have that one in that color. Cool. Another Audi. Oh yeah. 55 Chevy Nomad and another Ford GT40. Heck yeah. A heavy hitcher. That's cool. I don't have one of those. Dodge Charger SRT. Do not have one of those. That's pretty nifty. Limited grip. Cool. 64 Lincoln Continental. I do not have a Lincoln Continental. I do like that. That's a nifty paint job on that. What is this? A C Zinger. Never heard of that, but that's really nifty. Oh, it's new for 2024. New casting. Whoop, whoop. Another new casting. Punk Rod. That's actually kind of cool looking. The USS Enterprise. For all the Trekkies out there. Another C Zinger, another new one. A Skate Grom. Not my cup of tea, but hey, it's kind of cool. Hey, and a clip rod. I've been kicking around the idea of buying one of these. I haven't yet, and now I do have one. That's kind of nifty. Alright, what else we got here? Rescue Duty. A Surf's Up. Again, not my cup of tea. And Toyota van. I have one, but not this color. Okay, and the first half of this case is almost done. What do we have here? Another Koenigsegg. The blue Barbie Corvette. That's cool. And another clip rod. Nice. Some of my friends might end up getting some decent things for Christmas this year. Okay, let's get into the back of this case here. Let's see if I can just pull out. I don't know here. Hold on. Oh. Trying to do this neatly is just not going to work, I don't think. All right, Mad Mike Drift Attack. A new, it's 2023. That's pretty cool, though. I do have one of those, but I do like that casting. What else? Oh, yes. Land Rover Series 2. I've got one. Love these. And the new Greenwood Corvette. Sweet. And of course, another Batmobile. McLaren, I don't have that. That's pretty nifty. And a power panel. If you can't tell, guys, I'm into, realistic cars more than anything. A Lane Lowrider, those are neat. I have a few of those, but those are so cool. Another Alfa Romeo. And a Volvo XC40. Do not have one of those. Nifty. What else we got? Oh. Hold your horses, hold your horses. No way. No way. Oh my God! I got a super. I got a freaking super. This is my first one, guys. Oh. Okay, I didn't scream like a girl, but I got kind of loud. I'm sorry. Oh my, I actually, look, I actually have goosebumps for real. This is awesome. Oh my, look at this thing. Look at that paint job. Look, oh my goodness gracious. Guys, oh, yeah, I am an addict. I need help. Can we please start a Hot Wheels Anonymous group? Because now I'm even worse. I got to keep going. Holy smokes. Look at that Ford Escort Super Treasure Hunt. Heck yes. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, I don't know if I want to continue on now, but we have to. Okay, Monster High. That's okay. Oh yes, a Volvo drift wagon. I do love these wagons, but I've got this. I've got the Super Treasure Hunt. And another Monster High. Okay, who cares? Because I got a Super Treasure Hunt. Okay, I gotta stop doing that, guys. I'm sorry. I know I'm obnoxious. What else we got here? Tesla Model Y and a Cloud Cutter. I don't get this. This is not my cup of tea. It's nice and it's neat, but I guess it's for the little kids. What else do we have here? Another Lincoln Continental. Again, a cool casting, but not as cool as a Super Treasure Hunt. Sorry, I'm sorry, guys. I will stop, I promise. Another Blue Barbie and a Dune Crush. Another one of these. All right. Another Rescue Duty. Hot Wheels High. Bus. Don't have any of those. And a Runaway Rescue. That's pretty nifty. I do like that. I've never seen that before. I am running out of room here, folks. All right. Volvo X40. Got one of those over here. Mod Speeder. Hey, that one's pretty nifty for this year. It says Hot Wheels on it. I like that. And a Dodge Ram 1500 Rebel. Cool truck. Another Punk Rod. Still like that. Another power panel and another Honda Super Cub. Oh, and did I mention Super Treasure Hunt? Oh yeah, I did mention it, didn't I? Sorry. I know. Just stop, right? Oh, come on, reach. Another Mad Mike Drift Attack. Cool. Another McLaren. Cool. Hey, a tuned Porsche 911. I have one of these, wanted another one. So that's pretty awesome too. Getting down to the bottom, folks. We're almost done with this case. And 3 more to go. Okay, another Pontiac Firebird. That's nice. I'll get to open one. Another Drift Wagon. Love the Drift Wagons. Mighty K. These are so cool, too. Last 3 cars. What do we got? Limited Grip. Oh, another 55 Nomad. Love the Nomads. And a Fiat 500. Oh, that is so cool looking. Like I said, I like real cars, not this stuff. I like this, and this is pretty nifty. I like this. Love this. Oh, by the way, I absolutely love this. Okay, I'm done. Seriously, I'm done. Okay, I was going to unbox all 4 cases in one super long video. But then I realized, you know what? It is almost Christmas. So why not do something a little special? We're going to do the 4 boxes of Christmas. Now, I know it's supposed to be the 12 days of Christmas, but I've only got 4 boxes, so it's going to be the 4 boxes of Christmas. Okay, this video that you're watching right now releases on December 21st, 2023, and I will be releasing the next 3 videos every morning through Christmas Eve morning. So guys, come back every morning, or every afternoon, every evening when you get a chance, and check out what I found in these factory sealed cases of Hot Wheels. With that, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.